Assalamu alaikum class 6. I hope you are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 27th of April 2021 and the day is Tuesday. Fine class? Okay. So in yesterday lesson we studied about the concept of negative sign which is inside the bracket and we have a power outside the bracket. Fine, so how we can solve these kind of questions? So who will tell me? Yes, Mariam, you tell me if I have -4. Okay. Yes, how we can solve this? Very good. As I told you class, as the power is odd and as you look there is negative sign inside the bracket, so we will write this into this form. Fine. 4 is power is 3 means 3 times repeat order, so we will write -4 -4 3 times. -4 3 times. Okay, in next step okay, in next step we will avoid signs first and solve multiplication. So 4 into 4 is 16 and 16 into 4 is class, very good, 64. So we will write 64, which is the multiplication of 4 into 4 into 4. Fine. And what about the sign? Very good. We will write minus. We will write minus with 64. As I told you, if we have a negative sign inside the bracket and outside the bracket we have odd power, so we just simply write negative sign in the end with the answer. Okay, is it clear class? सबको ये clear है? Fine. Now I am moving towards question number 6, in which we have cube root. So we discussed the term cube root in previous chapter, which is chapter number 1. So who will tell me what is cube root? Yes, Adrian, you tell me what is cube root? Very good. Cube root, this is the representation of cube root class. Very good. And for cube root we want perfect cubes. We want perfect cubes. If I have a number which is 27, okay, and I want the cube root of this, so first of all I will write cube root of 27, fine, which is equal to cube root of 27, like this. Fine. Now in next class, as we know, 27 is the perfect cube of 3. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Fine. 3 as it is and be cut by this cube root, isn't? ऐसे ही है. In the end we have 3. In the end we have 3. Fine? Okay. So this is all which is related to chapter number 1. We have discussed cube root in this chapter. Now question number 6 is quite related to this. Exercise number 2C, page number 43, question number 6. Evaluate each of the following. Fine. A part. A part is fine. A part is cube root of 27. So who will tell me what are the perfect cube of 27? What is the perfect cube of 27? Cube का क्या mean होता है? 3. What is mean by cube? 3. Okay. Now for cube root we want perfect cubes. क्यों चाहिए होते हैं हम लोगों को perfect cubes? Because जब वो पावर में हमारे पास आ जाता है क्यूब, सो हम उसको सिंपली कट कर सकते हैं बाय क्यूब रूट. Isn't class? Okay. So as we know, 2 cubes equals to 8 and 3 cubes equal to 27. How? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 27. So we will write 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Fine. Cube as it is, because this is the indication of cube root. Now if you look class, 3 is the same, means base is same, so we will write only one time, which is 3, and 3 is repeating how many times? 3. So we will write 3 as a power. Fine. 3 as a power. In next step, this 3 will be cut by this cube root. Fine. In the end we have 3. In the end we have class 3. Is it clear? Now I have B part, which is minus cube root 64. Minus cube root 64. Okay. If you look class, there is a negative sign which is outside the cube root. अब वो बाहर है, so we will write as it is. Fine. Now for cube root we have to find perfect cubes. हमें क्या चाहिए होते हैं? Perfect cube चाहिए होते हैं cube root के लिए. So I am going to start from number 2. 2 multiplied by 2. 3 into 3 into 3. 4 into 4 into 4. So 2 times 4 and 4 2 times 8. So 2 cube is equal to 8. We will write like this class. Can we write like this? Very good. Now 3 into 3 will write 4 as it is, and how many times this number is repeating? Very good, 3 times. So we will write 3 as a power. Okay, 3 as a power. Minus as it is. In next step, this 3 will be cut by this cube root class. ऐसे ही होगा? Okay. So in the end we have 4. In the end we have class 4. Is it clear? In the end we have 4. Now I am going to repeat this. I have minus cube root 64. Minus cube root 64. So first of all I want to find the perfect cube of this number. So as I know 2 cube equals to 8, 3 cube equals to 27, 4 cube equals to 64. So I will write the product form of 64 is 4 into 4 into 4. Means 4 is repeating 3 times. Term is same, so I will write only 1 time in next step. Now I will write also 3 as a power. So in this way we can cut power with this cube root. In the end step we have minus 4 which is total. Find class minus 4 which is the total. Now C part is cube root of 8. Cube root of 8. So what would we do class? Cube root of 8. Okay, as you know, we have under root 8. Fine. Under root 8, cube root 8. So cube root means the number is repeating 3 times. Our number क्या होना चाहिए? Same होना चाहिए. So very first, if you look class, 2 is repeating 3 times. 3 times same number है और जब हम इसको multiply करते हैं, so we have 8. So we will write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 in cube as it is. Fine. Cube as it is. In next step we will write 2 as it is because base is same. Fine. Base is same, and by how times the number is repeating? Yes, Vanya, you tell me. Very good. 3. So we will write 3. Now this 3 will be cut by this cube root. In the end we have 2. In the end we have 2. Okay class? This is how we can solve cube root. This is how we can solve cube root. Now I will take another part which is D. Just listen to me very carefully. Cube root minus 216. Fine. Cube root minus 216. So what would हम वेरी फर्स्ट क्या करेंगे? वेरी गुड, we want to find perfect cubes. We want to find perfect cubes. अब इसके लिए हम देखते हैं, as I write on the board, 4 cube equals to 64 and 5 cube equals to, let's see here class, 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 times 25 and 25 5 times 125. So I will write 5 cube. I will write 5 cube. Now the next, which is 6 into 6 into 6. 6 times 36 and again we have 6, which is 6 times 6 36, 6 as 3 as a carry, 3 times 18, 19, 20, 21, 216. Okay, 216. So we can write 6 power 3. लिख सकते हैं हम इसको ऐसे. Fine. So this cube root as it is. Okay, अब ये देखो माइनस जो है वो हमारे पास क्या है? ब्रैकेट में माइनस क्या है हमारे पास? इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. So we will write minus sign as it is. Fine. And by how many? And what is the cube of 216? Yes, class. 6 power 3. 6 multiply 6 multiply 6. ऐसे ये this cube as it is, this minus as it is, and we can write 6 power 3 as. लिख सकते हैं हम इस तरह. Very good, because this is the index notation of 6 power 3. In next step, this 3 will be cut by this under root and we have in the end is minus 6. In the end we have minus 6. Okay? Now I am going to repeat. I have a question in which evaluate each of the following. D part, cube root of minus 216. क्यूब क्या है मेरे पास? क्यूब रूट है वो एज इट इज आ जाएगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू फाइंड परफेक्ट क्यूब. सो परफेक्ट क्यूब के लिए मैं क्या करूंगी? 1 by 1 चेक करूंगी. सो 2 क्यूब इक्वल्स टू 8, 3 क्यूब्स इक्वल्स टू 27, 4 क्यूब इक्वल टू 64, 5 क्यूब इक्वल्स टू 125 and 6 cube equals to 216. Fine. So we can write 6 cube in the cube root. Fine. In this way minus as it is आ जाएगा and 6 cube जो cube है वो will be cut by this cube root. ऐसे ये उस cube से cut हो जाएगा. In the end we have minus 6. We have just minus 6. Fine. So this is all class which is related to cube root. You have to solve all parts of question number 6 which is related to page number 43 from your book. You have to do this on your notebook. Happy learning class. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.